Hello, welcome to Coffeetechnix. Today we will fixing a group's head of a QuickMill. What can happen if you don't clean the group head regularly? Then the group bolt and the group plate can get stuck, as you can see in this video. Also, the group bolt can break, so it is advisable to loosen the bolt carefully. As you can see here, we can't loosen the bolt, so we have to take out the group O-ring so we can loosen the filter holder flange to get to the bolt easier. To loosen the filter holder flange, we need to loosen 4 Allen bolts so we can lift out the flange. Sometimes we need to remove the dirt from the Allen bolt so the Allen key can go in deeper and have more grip. Do you know that I like your likes? The Allen bolts are pretty tight, and I like that because I like challenges. You will soon see how dirty this machine is. And also the flange is stuck due to dirt, but that is easy to get loose. When the flange is off, you will see 3 brass tabs with 3 springs underneath. You remove them and clean them. Those tabs and springs are there to ensure that the filter basket is pushed out, and if the basket gets stuck, then it is dirty. We have several types of tools to loosen the bolt that is stuck, and we hope that the bolt does not break. We can now easily get to the bolt, and we need some kind of tool to get a grip on this bolt. But it's deep now, and we can't get to it properly. And it's also a flat bolt. Luckily, we manage with this water pump pliers. But we can get everything loose that is stuck, as you can see. Now it's easy, and I can loosen the bolt with my hand. Under and in the bolt, there is a spring, and pin with a ball on it like a nail, and that pin ensures that no coffee and coffee fat can get into the thermoblock and clog the thermoblock. And when that bolt is loose, we can remove the stainless steel shower plate. As you see, the aluminum plate is very stuck. We have to use brute force to loosen it, because it is not regularly loosened and cleaned. Sometimes the aluminum plate breaks in the middle and a piece remains stuck. I use a pair of killer pliers. Then it is a bit easier, but I have to use a lot of force. I hope the plate will break. Too bad. The plate is not broken. It would be nice for the video. Look how dirty it is. Imagine getting coffee out of this machine. I will clean and brush everything well. Also, the hole in the middle is full of aluminum oxidation from the water and coffee acid. If you do not clean it regularly, the acid can make holes in your bottom block, and then it becomes an expensive repair. Because then when you make coffee, the O-ring no longer closes properly, and it leaks along the filter holder during the coffee making. So clean it regularly. I don't mind if you don't clean it. Look, these are the tabs that have to push the filter basket off the group. We have to brush them and make them as new. And this is the flange that we also clean as new. Look how nice it is looking right now. To put everything back together. Let me show it in a different way so you can see it more clearly. Look, these are the lugs. In each lug, there is a hole where the spring fits. So you can put a spring in each hole. Then you can put the spring plus lug in the hole of the bottom block. There are exactly 3 holes where you can put them in with the spring first so that the lug sticks out. Then the flange. And as you can see, you have 3 tabs sticking out and 4 holes for the Allen bolts. So the flange can only be mounted one way. So that's easy, and the flange is always the right way up. We tighten the 4 Allen bolts firmly and evenly. Then we place the group O-ring. Make sure that there is no dirt left on the place where the O-ring comes, because then it is possible that the O-ring protrudes a little and then your filter basket will remain stuck. Now, we can put the aluminum plate or disc and the stainless steel shower plate back and put the spring in the hole of the bolt, and in the spring, we put the pin that looks like a small nail. And then we place it in the hole that you see in the shower plate, and we screw the bolt hand tight, maybe a little tighter. You can see how easy it is to put the filter holder in and take it out again. And we are done. I hope you find it useful.